Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something very interesting. Today is the world of internet and mobile apps, and they are guiding us into how to live our life, how to make it better. So as a clinician, there are a lot of patients who come to me and they come for weight loss and they say, okay, we are using this app where we take pictures and then that picture shows us how many calories are there. So it becomes like a calorie counter. Then there is an app which tells you how to exercise, what to exercise, which muscle to do which day. And then there are so many apps of weight loss. So people often ask me, do we get a real weight loss with the help of these apps, or do we really need to see someone? So, well, my answer to this question is yes and no. Yes, if you use these mobile apps which will guide you on a daily basis and will tell you do this, do that, and you will control your food, you will do this kind of exercise, yes, you will get a weight loss. Is it safe? Is it ideal? Is it advisable? Well, my answer is probably not. Why? I will tell you. Weight loss is not only about just counting calories and doing exercise. There are many aspects to this. What is most important is you should lose fat. There are people who have so much of fat on certain areas. So how does one solution, which is for all, will fit in everybody's life? When I see patients, people who want to lose weight, who want to lose fat, are from different age groups. A 25-year-old coming to me and a 50-year-old coming to me, I'm not going to tell them the same kind of food to eat. I'm not going to tell them the same kind of exercise they should be doing. So many variants are there. There is age, there is gender. Women who are above the age of 40, 45, who are perimenopausal, they have different things to deal with. The socio-economic status is different. The lifestyle is different. The food they eat, it could be protein rich, it could be carbohydrate rich. So there are so many variants. When you are dealing with body, each body reacts differently to whatever we are doing. To me, getting transformed, getting into shape, getting your weight loss done in a healthy way so you become more fitter, and managing your nutrition, your hormones, and becoming what you want to be is a very personal thing. You need somebody to guide you all along. It's a journey you have to take where there will be ups and downs. Sometimes you will lose weight very well, sometimes there'll be a plateau, so you will need to change many things in your lifestyle. Maybe you'll need to change the way you eat, the times you eat, the frequency with which you eat. You will have to make a lot of changes during this journey. And this journey is not about just weight loss or fat loss, but it's about how you become healthy, fit, how you become a happier person, how you get completely transformed. So in my clinical practice, what I do is I tell them, look, it's a journey I take along with you, and it's going to take time. It's going to take 6 months or maybe a year to lose that 30, 35, 40 kgs of fat. And during this whole journey of a year, you know what your body is. You know what's going on inside you. You know that, okay, I have this deficiency, so I have to correct my food intake. Sometimes you have to take nutritional supplements. So many things are there. It's like the books are there, but you still need teachers to make you understand this topic is difficult, I'm not able to understand. So you have to have a guide who will hold your hand, be with you all along. Sometimes you may falter, sometimes you're doing well, sometimes you're low on motivation. So the guide motivates you. He tells you exactly what you need at what point of time. For example, if you're traveling, then how do you keep up with your exercise schedule, what you eat? So all this needs to be done. So I would say, yes, it's nice to get your life disciplined. These apps will help you, but that's not the end of it. It will motivate you maybe, but you really need a person who will hold your hand, will motivate you, will tell you exactly what you need, what is it that needs to change in your lifestyle, what needs to be added, what needs to be deleted. So you have to figure out that person who is there all along and who wants that you change and you become a happier, healthier and a fitter person. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see more videos which will come up, you can press the bell button, the icon. Thank you very much.